Now I'm putting this in. Now we are putting this to our dryer. Here is the filter that will collect the hair. I'm going to put it for 6 to 6 minutes. And later we will check how much cat hair we get. Right, Buddy? Evet. Yeah, the program finished, and now let's check how much cat hair we got. Yeah, it looks dry. Yeah, it's well dry. Now let's check our filter. Oh yeah, I'm still seeing some cat hair here. I think I will need to ventilate it later. This was from the previous one. See? Now let's check how much we get from this one. It is incredible. This much cat hair comes from one single blanket. And this is what I get from 2 separate blankets. I actually ventilate them once a week or wash them once a week, but since all 3 of them lay on them all day long, it gets so much hair.